Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Following are the major symptoms of obsessive compulsive disorder. In obsessive compulsive disorder, there is doubt of contamination, pathological doubt, and intrusive thoughts are seen in obsessive compulsive disorder. In obsessive compulsive disorder, the patient will have doubts of contamination. He feels that his hands are contaminated, his hands are dirty. That is obsessive compulsive disorder. He might have pathological doubts also. In pathological doubts, he might have checking disorder or some other doubts can be there. Intrusive thoughts can also be seen in obsessive compulsive disorder.
thank you and thank you for watching.